We're having a very important program by hosting the entire people and the king of the entire land, Ori Otun of Mobaland, His Majesty Oba Adeyeye Enitan, came with the entire entourage back to their root for them to come back home ever since he ascended the throne. And today, providentially, we have their worries because today is Ogufu Minire Day. We do the festival of the Awori people in Ife. And we have very prominent and notable traditional rulers out of Ife, the likes of Kabesi, Owa Ajero. And for us to re-establish our link, the role that each and every one of all these kingdoms played in Yoruba land, and who we are, and to the glory of God, we have to tell our story. It's been established that we, the Yorubas, have the oldest DNA in the world, traced to more than 120,000 years, and back to the memory of our ancestors. And also, we, the Yorubas, we have a lineage of ghost DNA, which we usually call the 401 deities. It's been established again scientifically now that the ghost DNA is one of our ancestors that gave birth to us. Scientifically, it's been proven that it is only the Yoruba people that have the ghost DNA, which gave emergence to the likes of sickle cell. Over 90% of sickle cell history and the genealogy is within us. And our forebears used to call them Abiku, the spirit and the reincarnation of those spirits. You hardly find it anywhere in the entire world, and that has prompted the world scientific study to trace the oldest DNA in the world. We are very happy. At some point we all live together as one big happy family here, and the likes of Ori of Otuekiti played a very pivotal role as a spokesperson of Oodua, our progenitor, and also the thinking and the think tank. We started the parliamentary system then. Ajero is, the meaning of Ajero is the parliamentary structure where you debate on things. So these are things we are re-establishing today. And the spokesperson, like the speaker out of the parliamentary system, is Ori. But at the base of Ajoro, which is the meaning of Ijero, system. So we are establishing and enacting a lot of things in Yoruba land today. And the emergence of the likes of the kingship system and the dynasty of Oyo, the dynasty of the Benin Kingdom, and so on like that. Even the dynasty of the Ila people, because they champion the Igbomina people. The Ila people being headed by Fatamila, the progenitor, one of the sons of Oduduwa, the princes of Oduduwa, Ajagunla Fatamila. A lot of people are distorting, saying a section came from the Igbomina people. No, the Igbomina people are headed by the Ila, the dynasty of Ila, and it's bigger than even the Igbomina. It's like the way a lot of tribes came out of Yoruba land. If you even ascribe the bombing of people to the Ila people, you are not doing them good justice. So we all have a role that we used to play during our progeny days. So the role Oreo to play as the spokesperson, the speaker for the entire kingship system when they were taking crowns out of Ife. We are going back to those old and memorable days back in history now. It's inevitable. We have to just unite because we have the structure. It's very key and important for us to unite, and that's the role we're playing now. We're on that part of unity. God bless you all.